In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Bluehost AI Editor in WordPress step by step so you can get to the right place quickly and start using Bluehost's AI tools without wasting time clicking around. If you've been wondering where the AI Builder or AI Editing option is hiding, this walkthrough will make it simple. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress and Bluehost tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account. You'll want to use the account that's connected to the WordPress website you want to edit. Once you're inside Bluehost, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps your site management tools, so this is the first place to head when you want to access your WordPress dashboard from the hosting side. After that, select your WordPress website. If you manage more than one site, make sure you choose the correct one, because Bluehost will open the WordPress admin area for the site you select. This step is important if you don't want to accidentally make changes on the wrong website. Now, look for the WordPress admin button and click it. This will take you straight into the WordPress dashboard for that site. Once you're inside WordPress, focus on the left-hand menu. That sidebar is where most of your main tools and plugin options live, and Bluehost usually adds its own menu item there when it's connected properly. In the left-hand menu, look for Bluehost. If you don't see it right away, take a moment and scan the menu carefully. Depending on your setup and WordPress screen size, it may be a little lower down in the sidebar. Once you find it, click Bluehost to open the Bluehost tools inside WordPress. Inside the Bluehost panel, look for an option called AI Site Creation, AI Builder, or another AI editing feature. The exact label may vary slightly depending on updates from Bluehost, but it should be something clearly related to AI website creation or AI-powered editing. This is the area you're looking for if your goal is to use Bluehost's AI Editor inside WordPress. When you open that option, you'll be able to start editing your website with Bluehost's AI tools. From there, you can explore the AI features available to help you build pages, update content, or create sections faster than doing everything manually. If you don't see the AI option immediately, don't panic. Sometimes menu items move around after updates, so the key is to go from Bluehost account to websites to your WordPress site, then into WordPress admin, and finally into the Bluehost menu on the left side. That path will usually lead you to the AI editor or the closest available AI builder option, and that's it. You now know how to find the Bluehost AI editor in WordPress using the quickest path through your Bluehost dashboard and WordPress admin. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a full walkthrough of how to use the AI editor next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.